beautiful this sunrise is. Out of my head and into your arms tonight. If you love me, I'll be out of my head and into your arms tonight. Yeah, my heart is racing, feels like I'm always chasing. I need you to come get me into your arms tonight, tonight. Yes, I love that song. So we are headed to her new daycare. We're doing daycare tours this week because, like I told y'all, we are moving again, and we have to find a better daycare for her. Like going to school age daycares. So that's what we're gonna do. So let go. Grand Rising, Kings and Queens. It's like 7 a.m. We are. So we got our coffee. Look at that. Look at that. Let me show you. Okay, look at that. Free coffee for a year. Celebrities. I know. Let me get the lucky lady here. Hi. Hi. Can I see a unicorn? Yeah, look at that. Pretty. Did mommy get you it? No. Where's Peppa? Peppa Pig. Hey. Yeah, look at that. Oink, oink, oink. Nova. Let me get you making it. Yes. Nova. Okay. Ooh. I got it. Yes. Hey. Look at the gorgeous lady. Thank you, my love. Oh, we just love you. Yeah. Ow. Yes. Oh, I know. It's just hey. Hey. Oh. Oh. Dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. I know. You was doing it. Woo. Perfection. Oh. Nice.
What size?
A large cup of ice, please.
There go.
Hi, can I get ice? Can I get some ice? Oh, you have a new employee. Hi. Hello. How are you? Oh, wow. Did you see that? Oh. Wow. The tongue is out now. You are serious. Thank you very much, ma'am. I appreciate all the ice. Oh, be careful. Oh, Lord. Be careful, yeah.
She's like this one on my foot.
Yeah, she's trying to get it. If I gotta help her, she's gonna get it. Okay. Let me see. Oh, nice. You got it. Is it two at a time? Ooh, you guys see this? Ah, let me. Look at you. Hey.
Cheese.
The Dunkin employee.
Employee of the month.
Yes. Ah, ooh la la. Ooh, I can't wait to get this cup of ice. This is like $1 million cup right here. You finished? Oh, ma'am. I didn't finish getting my ice. Can I get my ice? I need my, Thank you. Thank you. Oh. Sorry.
Hi.
All right. Sorry. Let me show what I got here. Excuse me. Hi, honey.
How about you?
Good. How are you? Look, see? I got your drinking. Ooh. Might it be? Yeah, I know. Yeah. Okay, we're leaving the library and we about to go get gas. I still hate pumping that dang gas. Oh, disgusting. I heard y'all moving around. Now, moving around. whoever tried this, I got the potatoes boiling right there for her mashed potatoes. But okay, I'm gonna do some asparagus, I'm gonna do some curly fries, and I'm gonna cut up the seasoning. But whoever tried this whole roaster without the neck and giblets, ready to cook, no antibiotics, that's what it says. I'm trying it now. Yup. So I'm about to cut all this stuff up and stuff what it's looking like. I don't know. This is my first time with this chicken in the bag business. So, okay, I put parsley, I put Larry's, I stuffed it. Here, let me show you what I did. See, if you can see it, I stuffed the inside with the onions and allspice. I used some allspice. I'm gonna show you. I put some of this in there. Whole allspice, yes. It's in there, yeah. And then I cut these up. So now, this I gotta peel because I can't find the ground garlic, the chopped up one. I chopped some up. So I'm just stuffing all this in the bag. I don't know how everybody else do it. And you know I'm doing it with one hand, so yeah, that's how we doing it today. And then I'm gonna just tie it back with some type of, tie or whatever. It was tied with this metal thing, but I don't know. I'm making soup, so I'm gonna just cook it for like 3 hours. That's usually my time. I think chicken is gonna be done, and it's on 405. Stuff it all in there. See. So we got the green. This is the bottom. You got the green. We got the red, and we got the yellow peppers. That's how you see them there. We got the potatoes in there, and we got my little helper. I just threw the stuff down on the floor. I don't care. Okay, just stuff it all in. I'll be back. I'm gonna go. Okay, this what he looking like. I just took off, cut this stuff. This is chicken in the bag. Roaster in the bag. Nah. I'm about to flip it over and cook it on the other side and cover it up with foil. The old-fashioned way. Look at the asparagus. Yes. Let's put some blue bonnet butter. Let's just drop it in just like that. Potatoes. Just got to put a little more butter, but it's not ready yet. So here you go. Asparagus. Yes. Ooh, la la. Mashed potatoes and chicken in the oven. So I bought this authentic Korean kimchi, and I've been feeling to try it. It's mild because they have hot, and I don't like pepper. So let's see what it's looking like. Okay, about to try this. Let's see. That's what it looks like. Okay, let's check this out. So the asparagus is done. The mashed potatoes is done, as you know. Let's check this bird out. How's she looking? Woo! Hot. Okay, I flipped it over, and she looking a little white, but she cooked because it's been 3 hours. So she is done. I'm going to just cut it up because remember, I'm going to put it in soup, but I'm going to give chunks a little piece. But this is basically dinner. Dinner served. That's the roaster in a bag. Oh my goodness, it gave me hell. You're officially coming with me. You got that.